What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something very cool. I forgot about TJ Maxx. This neck massager right here was only 30 bucks, you guys. Only 30? Only 30? So if you're not the type that want to go to TJ Maxx and stuff, I will show you another variation of this and I will put a link in the description. Or if they have this on Amazon, I will put a link in the description. But for the most part, I know TJ Maxx is like a regular store that you go in and it's a hit and miss, you know. So you might not see this again in TJ Maxx. You might see it. Who knows? The only thing with TJ Maxx is the TJ Maxx that I go to is inside of a mall, and I don't like the mall. I don't know if you can read it, but pause it and read it. Pause it, read it. Okay, since y'all complaining about me reading instructions, you read the instructions. Pause it, read it, pause it, read it. Okay, there you go. All of your buttons right there. All right, so we're gonna put it on. I'm gonna hold it down with my hand. Hit the power button. Oh, it hurts, but feel good. Ooh. Remember that comment I made about your husband and wife? I don't think you need them no more. Oh, man, this is crazy. I don't know, maybe because I'm so tense. Ouch. Woo. One thing I'm going to say to y'all, it works. Ooh. Okay, hold up. I need a break. Ooh. Wow. You guys, I am not gonna lie. That was a real massage right there. Wow. Okay, so you could change levels on this thing, and I think I might need to go. Y'all, this thing need to go a little bit more gentle. Okay. So let's do that again, and let's play with some settings. Wow. Okay, so what did that do? Damn, you guys, this thing, I think I might have to use this every day to get used to it. Because you know, if you have your partner, like you tell your partner, dig deeper, dig, go harder. Oh, don't worry, you won't need your partner no more. Oh man, this is $30 well spent. Oh shit, I hit the power button. Shit. Okay. All right, let's hit this other button. Oh, wait. Oh, it went harder. Hold up. Okay, it's going faster now. Man, you don't even have to pull down that hard. You do have to pull on it though, but not hard. Okay, now that I'm loosening it up a little bit, now it feels a little better. Okay. Don't go, if you want a real deep massage, pull tight. I had to loosen up a little bit, you guys. Wow. All right, so you do have different speeds on here. Oh. All right, what's this last button? What does the last button do? Give me a second, you guys. Oh, heat. I don't need heat. Gear position, mode, and power. This thing will. Ooh. All right, you guys. Oh man. Oh man, that felt. I ain't gonna lie though. The after effects feel good. You guys, this is the perfect buy. I don't care. I don't care. This is, you know the massaging chair that we have? I thought the massaging chair was going to be like this, but the massaging chair is like more like vibration. This, man, those massager companies might be out of business, bro, with this thing. This thing is the real deal. The only thing is you have to, you know, just have to hold it. But I mean, for the most part, you're probably sitting down on the couch after you're done exercising. Long day of work, your neck hurt, or maybe you slept wrong, neck hurt, a long day of work, and it helps your upper back too, like this upper part. So it did pretty good. That will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.